Today's video is all about organization, and if you think that's satisfying, you press that like button right now. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Patty, and I do lifestyle videos about my life here in Portugal. When we moved into this apartment, we thought we had enough space to store everything in the kitchen, but we soon realized that it was not enough. And not only everything was just on top of all other stuff, it was very unorganized, and the top shelf was really hard to reach. So we decided, no, we need something that's only for food, and we browsed a little on IKEA and we found this shelf. How do they look? I think they're done. Should I take them out? Oh, I don't know. You're supposed to put 2 on each fold, and it's supposed to be right in place and not kind of up. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's just hammer the shit out of this. They didn't give me the nail thingy, but I still have it from the other one. Look. Oh my god, can you please focus on this? No, this. Yes, on this. It's too close. This is so weird. What the hell? Looks like a cup. We still haven't hurt our hand. My camera just shut down, and now I don't know if it was recording or not. But we're hammering things, so that's
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now
I wonder if I overdid it with the jars. I mean, that's an army of jars, right? I need to wash them all before I start filling them. Okay guys, at the moment it looks very messy like this, and we're gonna start putting stuff on the jars. Let's go.
I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you
So on the bottom we have heavy stuff, mostly drinks, beer, milk, oils, etc. On our second shelf we have the box of all of the extras and some stuff. This is extra too. It's more oats, more flour, and I have the eggs and a sauce in here. On this one it's more of the desserts. This is the box where I have all of the dessert items, some stuff for breakfast like jam, peanut butter, flour, some sesame seeds, the should not be here, but it's okay. Sugar, more sugar, toasts, cookies. This is more of our breakfast and snack area. Cereal, rice puffs, nuts, some biscuits, corn for popcorn, oats. I use the flax for breakfast too, flour and chocolate butter. My teas have this little opening, so they can stay here. I'm thinking about getting a box for them some other time, but they look okay like this. We have pasta, rice, panko. This is ground soy, and my coffee. My coffee, I always buy that brand, and it's a sealed bag, so I'm not sure if I'm ever gonna buy a jar for it. On the top, there's the noodles, the mushrooms, and the box of the noodles. I have some linguine here, and the jar did not arrive yet, but there's a jar for the linguine. This is the final look, so it looks a lot different from what it was on the other shelf. Now everything has its place. It's very much eye-appealing, and we like it so far. I didn't label anything because I'm going to change it, either going to put something in another jar or just gonna change places of stuff. And both me and my boyfriend agreed that we do need more jars and maybe some bigger jars. So I still might change stuff and then buy some labels. If you have any good ideas for labeling food jars, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to check it out. So if you like this video and would like to see more videos like this, I will probably make a video for kitchen organization, so you know how I organized everything other than my pantry in my kitchen. And if you would like a video like that, leave a comment, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that you know when my videos come out. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram for all the updates. Come hang out with me live on Twitch every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday night, and I will see you guys on my next video.